welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create these 3 beautiful New Year's Day festive DIYs. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created these, just keep on watching. Guys, I'm going to be taking this ice bucket that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and in a clean bowl I'm going to be mixing in some Mylar and some of these large jumbo glitter, as well as the regular size glitter here. Alright, I'm going to be adding in some Mod Podge. So here I'm just painting on the first layer of my glitter mixture. Alright guys, so this is how it looks after the first coat, and I think it looks pretty good, but I'm going to go ahead and add another coat to this. Okay guys, so what I'm going to be doing now is just taking some of these mosaic tile pieces off of this ornament here that I picked up from Dollar Tree. And now I'm going to go in with my mosaic tile pieces, and these can be found at Dollar Tree. Guys, so now I'm going to go in with the sequins that I have left over, and of course they just look like this, and I'm going to be just putting them sporadically throughout the outside of my container. Okay guys, so right here I'm just going to be taking this frame that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, black lettering from the back of my picture frame. And how I'm going to do that is just with some regular old rubbing alcohol. Okay guys, so I'm getting a little bit impatient, so I'm going to use just a blade. I'm going to scrape off as much of the black paint as I can, and then I'm going to go back through with my alcohol and clean it up. I'm going to be going in with these Dollar Tree adhesive sticker gems, and I did have these left over from another project. That's why my strip looks a little bit raggedy and beat up, but I think that I have enough to complete this project, so I'm going to go ahead and use them now. So I have almost completed this, but I've run out of the strips. So what I'm going to do is just go in with my little gems that I picked up from, I think, Walmart a while back. So I'm going to go in and just fill them in with a gem that I have here. I think I'm going to need like 2 of these, and I'm just going to use my hot glue gun to do that. Alright guys, I also have some corners here that I need to fill in, so I'm going to go ahead and place a gemstone here as well. Let me get my gemstone out. Okay. Put a little bit of glue. And again, just the gemstone right over top of that and press. So this is the paper that I'm going to be using, and it is by the brand Duck. I did pick this up from Walmart, and it's just a peel and stick type of product. Alright, so I'm just going to be hot gluing this down because I'm not going to be using the sticker side. So I'm going to be taking this glass that I picked up from Dollar Tree and just glamming it out a little bit. Alright guys, so this is how it all turned out. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you around, and also hit that notification button so you never miss an upload from me. And I see you guys next year. Bye guys.